How to make your Facebook profile private using your mobile phone. If you want to make your Facebook profile private, as in you do not want people to be able to find you, or your post is all private, no one else can see it except you or your friends, so this is a place you can do it. So first of all, you have to log into your Facebook app using your mobile phone. Go to the 3 lines icon at the top right, just click on it. Next, settings and privacy, click on it, and then you can see this menu called privacy shortcut, so just click on privacy shortcuts. Alright, you can see privacy, control who sees what you share on Facebook, and manage data. So you scroll all the way, you can see the 3 dot here, which is see more privacy settings. Just click on it, and then you can see there's a few options here. Check a few important settings, manage your profile, or learn more with privacy basics. So just go look into it. But if you want to immediately change the activity side, you can see at the bottom who can see your future posts, or who can see the people pages and lists you follow. Just click on here. You can set it here as well. Public, friends, friends accept, specific friend, only me. So this is all the activities that you can set. So you can go through it if you want to put it to public, only me, or only to your friends. Now, how to keep your personal profile private. So you can see here, check a few important settings. Just click on it, and you can see who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook, and your ad preferences on Facebook. So we can click on all this. Check first who can see what you share, click on it, and you can go through it, continue. So now you can check here, you can see your phone number here, you can see only me, or you just click on it and you can put it public, friends, or family, your custom list. Alright, I have a video on how to do a custom list, so you can have a look. Alright, you can one by one change here. It's faster to change here than change in the previous method where I show you the your activity, because here you can just click on drop down and immediately change. If you use the activities tab, then you can see that you need to click one by one. Right, so you can go through here, see which one you want to hide. So you can see, especially at the bottom here, who can see your friends list on your profile. So last time there's a lot of scammers going on, so they will go to your friends list and be friends with all of them. So if you want to prevent that, you can just set it as friends, or friends accept, specific friend, only me, or custom list. Click next. So you can see also your future posts, only me. I will prefer my post for public. Let everyone see it. Alright, then your stories, public. Then you can limit wherever it is that you want to limit. Click next. You can block people as well. Click next. So you're all set. Alright, so this is how you can limit people who can see whatever post, your information inside your profile. It's going to be private. So to keep your account secure, you can go through it. There's 2-factor authentication, etc. I have a video on 2-factor authentication. You can have a look. Okay, this is one important thing, is how people can find you on Facebook. Continue. So you can see that who can send you friend requests. For me, I click everyone. If you want it to be private, you can just say friends of friends. Too bad you cannot set only me. Alright, so when they are friends of your friend, which is just one relationship away, then they can send you friend requests. If not, they can't. Alright, next. So you can see choose who can look you up by your phone number and email address. You can put everyone for your phone number, or email address everyone. Well, I want me to be searchable, so that's why I keep it. If you want to be private, just check only me and you'll be shown anymore. So for this as well, search engine. For this portion, when people go to search engine and search for your name, they can see your Facebook profile. So when you have this disabled, they won't be able to find you using the search engine. Okay, so I just keep it open for now. You want it off, you can off it here. Turn it on, you can turn it on. Next, review another topic. So your data settings on Facebook, so you can check how you want to see what kind of apps that you want to remove it, because I'm logged into some of them, so I don't plan to remove it. Next, review another topic. Now your ad preferences on Facebook, so you can see that you're being targeted based on your preference. Let's continue. Then you can scroll and you can continue reading. Alright, click on next. Alright, Facebook ads, they can target you from your employer, your job title, your education, your relationship status. So you can disable all of this so that you do not want them to target you based on your relationship status, for example. Next, so social interaction is for people. For example, when the ads is being run and you like the page of the advertiser, then your friend can see it. If you want, you can turn it off. If not, you can just leave it there. Alright, so this can help the advertiser a little bit, because if you like the page, the advertiser will have higher chance to convert your friend. So if you do not want that to happen, you can turn it off here. Click next. Done. Alright, so this is how you do your privacy checkup. So just go back again. As I mentioned just now, if you go to your activity, you have to go one by one. If you go for privacy checkup, where you check it here and do the settings here, you can able to do it much easier than you changing one by one here at your activity. Alright, if you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you and I see you next time. Goodbye.